Yahoo is no more Yahoo. Oh my god. This sounds like a very controversial thing, but yes, people really don't prefer Yahoo than before. Now they just believe Chrome or Safari and something like that. So, yes, if you want to remove Yahoo search from Chrome permanently, then this is the video. So, in this video, we will talk about how to remove Yahoo search from Chrome permanently. And yes, let's get started. First, go into your Chrome and you have that three dots right at the corner, so have a click on it. You go into the option of settings, and what it says is my search engine currently is Yahoo, right? And you click on it, and you don't want Yahoo anymore, so what you do is you click on other web search engines, so literally like Google. And yes, now you will have your Yahoo search removed from Chrome permanently. And this was for this video. And to know how to hide online status on WhatsApp, please click the video on screen. Bye bye.